Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix error 0x80190001. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here at the bottom left, hit search, and just type in virus and threat protection. Okay? And then what I want you to do is open up this one, and we're basically going to be turning off our antivirus. So let's wait for this to load up, and then what I want you to do is click here on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and I want you to turn these two off. Real-time protection, toggle this one off. When you're prompted, just go ahead and hit yes on your computer, and then toggle this one off as well, Cloud Delivered Protection. And then what I want you to do is hit search again and just type in Internet Options. Okay? I want you to open up this one, and once this opens up, I want you to click here on Advanced and scroll all the way down and make sure use SSL 3.0, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and use TLS 1.3 experimental. All of these are toggled on. Hit apply, hit OK, and then you can try again, and it should work. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.